In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record credit card payments and bank transfers in Xero 5 minutes. By the end, you'll confidently record a payment to your credit card from your bank or move money between your accounts so everything lines up perfectly for reconciliation. Start by opening Xero and signing into your account. If you're prompted for verification, follow the security steps and continue. Once you're in, head to the main dashboard. This is where you'll see your bank accounts and credit card balances at a glance. On the dashboard, find your checking account tile. To the right of it, look for the 3 dots or options menu. Click that and choose Transfer Money. In Xero, a credit card payment from your bank is treated as a transfer between accounts, which makes it easy to reflect the movement of funds on both sides. You'll now see a simple form. First, choose the accounts involved. For a typical credit card payment, set the From account as your checking account and the To account as your credit card account. If you're moving funds between 2 bank accounts, select those instead. Make sure you've picked the correct accounts that match your bank feeds, so the transactions will reconcile cleanly later. Enter the amount you're transferring. Use the exact figure that left your checking account or the amount you intend to pay toward the card. Double check the date. Match it to the date on your bank statement whenever possible to keep your records tidy and make reconciliation straightforward. Add a clear reference. A good reference might include the type of payment and a period such as credit card payment may, or a brief description like transfer to savings. Consistent, meaningful references save time when you're reviewing transactions or collaborating with your accountant. When everything looks right, click Transfer to create the transaction. Xero will post a matching entry in both accounts, money out of the checking account and money into the credit card or destination account. When your bank feeds bring in the real-world transactions, you'll be able to match them in the Reconcile screen with a single click. Quick tips before you move on. Always verify you selected the correct accounts and date. Avoid creating duplicate transfers if a bank rule or another entry already exists, and use references your future self will understand. If something's off, you can edit or remove the transfer and recreate it correctly. That's it. Your credit card payment or bank-to-bank transfer is now accurately recorded in Xero.